All right, today we're looking at the Pinnacolo pizza oven, which is a great outdoor piece. It's all in high quality stainless steel, outdoor rated. This is going to be the version of the oven that cooks solely on wood. You can also get this in a dual fuel. Control temperature by how much air you circulate through this device. So up here you have your flue. You're going to open it up to full air. Notice the space. You can cook 3 pizzas in this at the same time. It does have a temperature sensor here. Also got a covering when this unit is not in use. You can also use this as a baking oven for monkey bread, and those might be a lower heat scenario. So you're going to close down your flue to let less air through, and this will serve as an extremely low heat outdoor baking oven. One of the advantages of that, develop a lot of smoke in the home if you don't have a good ventilation system. It brings some advantages to being able to cook outside. So here at kitchenfoundry.com, I've been doing reviews for every product that we sell, whether it be the Caliber wood-fired grill and smoker. We also sold the Kamado Joe wood-fired smoker. It's all about indirect heat when you cook pizza and you're getting that crust to the perfect temperature. You can't really do this in a convection oven because the toppings will burn before the crust gets crisp. So what's cool about this Pinnacolo product is we can actually get up to 800 degrees for a Neapolitan style crust, or you can do 600 degrees for regular crispy crust. And it's got a unique design where the fire is going to arc over the top of the dome. Here at kitchenfoundry.com, we have 3 different models for you guys, wood-fired, or we have the all-clay unit, 50,000 BTU. We also sell the unit that is dual fuels. Depending on the model you purchase, you're going to get a whole assortment of free items with this unit. Come visit us soon at Kitchen Foundry. We would love to have you in our showroom to check out this wonderful piece, Anaheim, California.